Shandong Pulisi Chemical Company Limited was established in 2006. We take global chemical raw material supplier and service provider as our corporate philosophy and focus on the development of quality chemicals. The company implements standardized enterprise management and has passed ISO 9001 certification and BV certification. In 2018, we were awarded Export-Oriented Economic Work Advanced Unit in Zibo City. In 2019, we were awarded Excellent Integrity Enterprise. In 2022, we were awarded Outstanding Contribution Enterprise for High Quality Development. The company's main products are formic acid, sodium formate, calcium chloride, glacial acetic acid, sodium sulfide,